In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add a sharpen effect on video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have our video right here, and let's say that we would want to make this sharper. So typically you would want to go here into effects and then go into sharpen effect. And then you would just want to drag it into your clip right here and then just bump it up until you get the sharp result that you'd want. But you would still get this ugly pixelated things right here as you increase the sharpen amount. As you can see, it gets grainy and it's not smooth at all. So this would be a good way for you to get started, but there is a better way than this actually. So what you'd want to do instead is that you would want to go into the removing the sharpen and then go into unsharpen instead. So go here into effects and go for unsharp mask and then drag it into your clip. Now, in here is that you would want to set the amount into 50 and then the radius into 25. And then from here, you would now be able to see that it is now much sharper without the pixelated effect and the ugly, the ugly artifacts that you'd be seeing if you increase the sharpen value to high. So those are the two methods that you can choose from. You can try out which one is better for your footage because it could also depend on what footage that you'd have. So make sure to just go and test them out and see which one fits you best. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.